Thank you, sorry, Honorable Speaker. We were consulting with members here. Honorable Speaker, let me support this amendment. And it's true what the Honorable John Buddy says, that the Committee of Finance, even as we were thanking them during the second reading, took a lot of time to listen to Kenyans. And some of these proposals are what came out of the public participation exercise, Honorable Speaker. And it's sad that many of our media houses were trying to incite, not many, it's actually one media station I saw, trying to incite Kenyans that the public participation exercise was an exercise in futility. But it's testament from what members are saying here that the Finance Committee did listen to Kenyans and to their views, Honorable Speaker, and therefore I support, and this also buttresses the point that we are indeed intent on bringing down the cost of living. Zero rating farm inputs, zero rating fertilizer products, zero rating transportation of sugarcane from farms to their factories, Honorable Speaker. These are things that we trickle down to the farmer and consequently ensure that we are able to produce farm produce at a cheaper cost, and therefore the Kenyan people will enjoy, in the long run, will enjoy a lower cost of living. And that is what the people of Kenya have been asking for. And Honorable Chair, I must say, as I said before, that this was one of the bills that was most vilified. But I'm glad today in this debate, Honorable Speaker, members are truly telling the truth. What is good, they are calling it good. What they have a problem with, they are saying, I have a problem with this. And that is the way we should be engaging in the country, not vilifying and demonizing everything.
Let us come